Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on copying Twitter links on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open Twitter and go to the tweet that you would like to copy the link for. Tap the Share button at the bottom of the tweet. Tap Copy Link. The link to that tweet is now copied and you can post it wherever you like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.